Okay, so the first step is that I am going to take my front and my back leg. So I'm gonna just make sure that I have a piece 9 and a piece 8. I'm checking when I wrote those on my fabric pieces here. And I am going to take the inner leg and match those up. Now, as I'm matching these up, I can see that these don't match up so that I can do my right sides together. So I have one of the wrong pieces here. I've got to make sure that I have the same leg for each side. So if I try this piece 8 and 9 together, I'm putting them right sides together, I can see that those are going to line up here. I've got the U shape here for the crotch lining up, and I am just going to take this inside leg seam and I am going to line those up. My triangles here should match up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin this together. Now that I have my inside leg all pinned, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sew just that inner leg seam, that one side here that I pinned. And I'm going to do that with my seam allowance at 5/8. The directions don't have a seam allowance written right in the instructions, but if I look in the sewing directions at the beginning of the pattern, I see that it's a 5/8 seam allowance unless otherwise stated. So I'm going to use the 5/8 seam allowance, my regular straight stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and sew this on both of my legs.